Inyo pong napapanood ang All-Star Sunday dito sa Shakey's V-League Season 13. First up, we have ating mga idol sa Spikers Turf going at it. Panoorin natin ang mga highlights sa pagitan ng Team Hataw at Team Galaw.
Makita mo nga na ang Team Galaw ang unang nakakuha ng first set dito dahil nga youthful daw sila. Youthful team at very energetic. At you can see Marco Alfafara gumigiling, humahataw-hataw just to energize his team. And you see naman the players are very relaxed pa rin and enjoying the game. And at the same time, showing their talents, kung anong kaya nilang ipakita. At syempre, this is all for the fans and we're doing this for the victims of Typhoon Lawin.
And the players are really at their best. Hindi ito yung papetiks-petiks lang dahil wala namang at stake dito. Pero para sa mga players, a lot more than winning awards and championships at stake here. This is for the benefit ng ating mga brothers and sisters who were affected by Typhoon Lawin. Now, what is Billy Capistrano up to?
Nagpa-fangirling moment and I'm sure yung mga fans na dumating na maaga dito kanina nakapag-fan sign and selfies sa mga players ng Spikers Turf.
Yeah, congratulations to everybody who was able to meet their idols. And
players from NU was shown there. Infinity.
Maski na tapos na Phil yung ating mga laban sa collegiate, reinforced, and open conference, we still see some solid supporters of the teams that participated dito sa Season 13 coming here and checking out this All-Star Sunday.
Yan yung nakakatuwa sa gantong liga na Spikers Turf yung mga fans, hindi lang yung sa mga college teams outside of volleyball din, na nakanood ng volleyball sa TV, tapos nag-enjoy na and they learned to love volleyball na.
And now, nag-switch na ng sides syempre yung mga players, and Vince Mangulabnan of Team Hataw is very excited to get the first rally of the second set going.
Para sa mga manonood natin, yung Team Hataw ay yung light uniform at yung Team Galaw ay yung dark uniform.
Yes.
Team Hataw is red. Dito sa screen at Team Galaw ay blue.
Thank you so much once again for joining us on SNA. Anton Rojas together with Phil Cainglet, Cayetano, and we also have Billy Capistrano and Janine Choi helping us out at courtside. We have Rodolfo J.R. Labrador, former FU player, part of the Philippine Air Force, two-time champion team dito sa Season 13, now on the court. And Greg Dolor, also an FEU player, wearing green inside as well. There he is, Greg Dolor.
Smart play from Greg Dolor.
2-0 in favor of Team Galaw. Marco serving.
Marami rin tayo nakikita mga NU players dito, Phil. Si Berlin Paglinawan, may new look na naman. He's got the man bun going on there.
Yes. Kung merong bandana si Rexental, may man bun naman.
Okay, let's go now to Janine Choi.
Anton at Phil, ang libero ng Team Galaw na si Jason Uy ay nanggaling pa lamang sa kanyang probinsya sa Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Noong Biyernes pa lamang siya nakabalik dito sa Maynila matapos makapiling ang kanyang pamilya ng isa't kalahating linggo. Sinabi ni Jason na sinurpresa daw niya ang kanyang mga magulang dahil November birthday celebrant sila. Iyak daw na iyak ang nanay niyang si Maricel nang makita siya dahil 9 na taon na niyang hindi nakakasama ang kanyang mga magulang tuwing birthday nila. Tunay na napakahaba talaga ng 9 na taon. Ito ay dahil pinili na lang ni Jason na ipunin ang kanyang pamasahe na gagastusin para makauwi dahil alam niyang mas kailangan ng pamilya niya ang salaping gagamitin sa kanyang pamasahe. Hanggang ngayon, abotenga pa rin ang ngiti ni Jason dahil minsan lang niya makita ang kanyang pamilya at mahal na mahal daw niya sila. Balik sa inyo, Anton at Phil.
Maraming salamat, Janine. Very touching story. Kaya naman kung nakatutok ngayon ang pamilya ni Jason, we wish you all the best over there sa Tagbilaran City, Bohol.
And happy birthday. napaka-sweet ng anak ng si
Next
Jason
touch,
Uy, no?
Team Hataw.
Who started this match as the libero. Alright, let's go now to the other side. Balikan natin si Billy Capistrano.
Yes, Anton and Phil, kanina nga nakapagkantuhan
Serving,
ako sa best
Greg
opposite
Valor.
spiker ng Reinforced Conference na si Berlin Paglinawan. Ngayon, alam nyo ba na hindi natin pwedeng i-deny na napakahusay niya mag-volleyball dahil alam nyo ba na it's in his blood. Actually, yung nanay niya at yung tita niya ay former SEA Games volleyball players na nag-uwi ng medal sa 1930s. Ayon na sa NUHRM student na very excited siya at flattered na maging parte ng All-Star Volleyball Games dahil na rin gusto niyang
Berlin
makatulong
Paglinawan,
sa mga
serving.
kababayan nating nasalanta ng Bagyong Lawan. Balik sa inyo, Anton and Phil.
And I'm sure Berlin's parents are also very proud of him kasi nga napa-champion niya ang NU Bulldogs.
Yes.
And he was a very vocal leader nung siya ay naglalaro para sa NU Bulldogs. Itong si Berlin Paglinawan.
Yeah, I do remember him like cheering up his teammates, tsaka parang siya talaga nagsi-step up.
Yep. There are those types of players, Phil, na they might not be the top scorers of the team. They're middle of the pack scorers, pero pagdating sa clutch points and being vocal and leading by example, that's Berlin Paglinawan.
Yes, I agree.
Service.
Pero tignan mo dito, ginawa ng paraan ng team Galaw. Pero tignan mo naman Team Hataw sa play na yun. Triple block na si Ray Marcu, pero hindi pa rin umubra sa Team Hataw. Ay,
First technical timeout.
8-3 ang ating talaan. Lamang pa rin ang Team Galaw. Magbabalik po ang Spikers Turf All-Star Game.
For making all of this happen, Shakey's.
ito pa rin si Billy trying to make most out of the ano kanina.
First technical
Experience.
timeout.
Yeah.
Nako. Ay, kumurap si DJ Tronics pumikit. Huli
Ano ba
ka.
yung uso ngayon, yung
Huli
mannequin
ka.
challenge?
Yes, the mannequin challenge.
I love the game yung mga kasama niya.
Oo nga eh.
Serve
Iba
goes
rin yung
out.
communication skills at influence nitong si DJ Tronics na talagang was one of the first people na nag-mannequin
Kino
challenge
Franco,
dito sa
serving.
Shakey's V-League.
Paano kaya mannequin challenge ito, yung mga volleyball players?
They actually did it.
In
USD
tall.
player, your former
With a
teammates
point
Yeah.
tried it.
Gusto ko naka-spike. Nasa ere. Imposible.
Joel Asia, serving.
9-4 is our tally right now. Team Galaw
Service ace.
is in control.
Team Galaw 10, Team Hataw 4.
Itong si Guel Asia, isa rin sa mga playmakers natin dito.
Yep, from De La Salle University.
Lasal Ateneo tong
Serving.
Team
Joel Asia.
Galaw.
He actually has a brother named Ruel. I thought it was Ruel, but it's actually Ruel because his name is Jewel.
Pero yung spelling,
Yeah, parang Guel, no?
Yeah,
Parang
Guel.
Guel and Ruel.
Team Hataw.
Pero I was asking them yung pronunciation, Jewel and Ruel.
you can see on your screen na lifting violation si Rex doon. At pilit niyang tinago ang kanyang kamay.
Hindi gumana yung pagkagangsta ni Rex Endal sa pagkakataon na yun. Rodolfo Labrador.
Last touch.
Gets
Team
a
Hataw.
check ball from
Point
that
goes
spike.
Team Galaw.
Itong si Labrador, isa rin ng mga season players
Yeah.
dito sa Spikers turf.
And he was also a leader during his
Rexenthal,
time
serving.
with the FEU Tamaraws. So it's an FEU LaSalle and Ateneo connection on the floor right now para sa Team Galaw. Kasi nandyan si Wu at si Asia for LaSalle. And then we have the FEU boys, Labrador and Dolor, and the Ateneo boys, Espejo and Intal.
Serving for Team Galaw, Rex Intal.
Parang mga fresh out of college or college teams pa tong nasa Team Galaw. Nagulat ako
Sabay.
dun. Miscommunication.
Four touches
Akala ko dalawa
for
sila
Team Hataw.
magbabackline pero delikado rin yung nangyaring yon. Dahil sabay silang tumalon.
Wow. Berlin and Ismael Fauzi.
Rex Intal.
Mukhang lahat sila sabik mag-spike pero be careful lang dahil delikado. Pero ang ganda ng form nun mukhang Jordan.
Cross court. Ismael.
with a cross-court kill.
There's Greg Dolor on your screens.
Serving for Team Hataw, Vince Mulabdan.
Ayan, mukhang gusto na magseryoso nitong si Jeffrey Malabanan. Talking there with Patrick Rojas. Siyempre si Jeffrey hindi sanay na matalo yan.
Ross off the block.
Kaya naman, ayan, si Rojas ang nabigyan
Team
ng
Hataw
bola sa
7,
pagkakataon na yun.
Team Galaw
Tsaka
13.
veteran move for Rojas, pina-check out na lang
Yup.
ang bola. Kasi nga kanina
Vince
sabi ko nga,
Mulabdan,
magagaling
serving.
na mga middle hill blockers tong sa Team Hataw, Team Galaw, sorry. Walang
Miscue on the
tao
set for
doon.
Team Galaw.
Miscommunication. I think this is normal naman kung yung selection na all-star game na bunot-bunot at hindi nakapag-training na parang may miscommunication talaga. Hindi mo na masisisi yung miscommunication ng mga players.
Even though these players are very high-level type of athletes, syempre iba rin yung magkasama kayo ng matagal. As Dolor just bounce it off the hands of the blockers.
Net touch, called on Team Galaw.
Doon pumapasok ang teamwork sa pag-gel ng players ng
Serving,
team.
Vince Mulabdan.
13-7 ang ating talaan. Asia, back set to Labrador.
Labrador.
Puntos na naman
off the block.
para sa Team Galaw.
Makita mo talaga sa katawan pala ng Labrador yung power na meron siya.
Substitution,
Nakita mo
Team
medyo
Galaw.
na-miss yung
15 out,
timing niya rin.
6 Hoifman
At
in.
mababa na yung bola, ginawa niya ng paraan.
Mark Wu,
Tony
serving.
Koifman is back on the floor. Kwento sa akin ni Coach Oliver kanina, his dad is Russian, his mom is Colombian, but he grew up in New York. And now he's gonna be
Four touches,
playing in
called on
Ateneo.
Team Hataw.
This
Point
coming
goes to
UAAP
Team Galaw.
season?
15
So for you,
to
Phil,
9.
bilang isang dating manlalaro ng Ateneo,
Mark
how do you
Wu,
feel about
serving.
the current volleyball programs with their recruitment
out.
and their goal of trying to maintain the winning tradition?
Yes, I'm happy na naging aggressive na rin sa recruitment. Not only Ateneo, pero all
Jeffrey
schools. Kasi nga,
Malabanan,
nakita
serving.
nila yung effect kung maganda yung recruitment. Siyempre, maganda rin yung magiging line-up mo. So I think yung mga volleyball programs ngayon, nag-level up na rin. They're getting coaches from like the States. And ngayon, si Coach Tai. And I think Adamson has a foreign coach din. So I
Yes.
guess every school, every team is stepping up their game for this coming UAAP season.
And it also helps na
Last touch,
nakakapaglaro rin
Team Galaw.
sila dito sa Shakey's V-League because we also have the reinforced conference where they get to play with or against foreign athletes.
Yes. And parang pre-season
Jeffrey
league na
Malabanan,
to.
serving.
Which is good kasi mag-gauge mo kung gano'n na ba ka-blended yung team
Dolor,
mo, gano'n na
off the block.
galing yung pagka-communicate nyo sa
Second
each
timeout.
other.
Alright, we
Galaw
will
16,
take a break. Magbabalik
Team
po ang
Hataw
Spikers Turf
11.
All-Star Game.
Here you can see Kim D from LaSalle and Timmy Santo Tomas from Ateneo watching the game. And here again, Tita Mozi Ravena making chika with the Valley Pure players.
O si Coach
Jerry
Romel
Labrador,
Abella.
serving.
Malalim ang iniisip.
So, abangan po ninyo mamaya si Tita Mozi as she will be commentating later on
12,
with
serving 16.
Eric Tipan and Laura Liman and Roxanne Montelegre will be joining
Patrick
them
Rojas,
as well.
serving.
So stay tuned for that one. Pero dito muna tayo sa Spikers Turf All-Star Game kung saan sinusubukan ng Team Hataw na makabalik dito sa laban na to.
Last touch, Team Hataw.
Lamang pa rin ang Team Galaw. And sila rin ang nakukuha ng first set. Here you can see na block na.
Serving,
Kaso,
Greg
pagka-over,
Dolor.
nag-outside. So, point pa rin for Team Galaw.
17-12 ang ating talaan. Masyadong
Hit goes out.
underneath the ball. Itong si Fauzi Ismail sa pagkakataon na yun. Kaya naman, that spike went wayward. 18-12 ang ating talaan pabor sa Team
Serving,
Galaw. At napatayo
Greg
si
Dolor.
Coach Vil Verayo ng Philippine Air Force.
Medyo madami ng errors ang Team Hataw ngayon.
Franco through the block.
Now, let's just greet some of the people watching.
Team Hataw
Our
13,
chief statistician,
Team
Mr.
Galaw
Pong Ducanes,
18.
is watching. Of course, hello na rin sa kanyang family, si Lenlen, and of course their lovely daughter Pia. And let's say hi to
D.
Yes.
I miss seeing Ate Phil. Hi, I miss you too. On screen. So let's go Team Galaw. Sana next time nagalaro na.
Yes. From Joy CBA, I'm happy to see Torres and Espejo on the same team. Finally, men's volleyball live on TV. Power.
This is the first time nga magkaroon ng all-star ng men's. Just Dongdong. Go Team Hata. Watching all the way from Solana, Jasaan, Misamis Oriental.
Yes. And from Kiel, go Team Galao, Kailian, all the way. She's watching all the way from Vigan City. Every time I'm in Vigan, I feel like I'm going back in time.
Yes. Ang ganda na, ang dami nating na-reach na mga
Yes.
viewers. At nakikita nila kung anong meron ang men's volleyball naman na all-star team players.
Hindi lang viewers dito sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas, pati na rin mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakatutok ngayon, and hello also to Mike Messina, who's watching right now, and your family, Phil, is watching also.
Oh, hi guys! Yeah, I know. My baby Ino is watching
Hi,
right
baby
now.
Ino.
And he saw me on TV at nag-hi siya. Lino sent me a video of him trying to figure out ba't ako nasa box.
20-15 is our tally. Team Galao is still in control here. They took the first set 25-21.
Team Galaw trying to catch up here. Easy ball for Team Galaw pero nagka-miscommunication na naman ang Team Hataw. Sila Tony how do you pronounce it?
Koifman.
Koifman.
Yep.
Very
And
unique name.
because he's very tall, it's also hard for him to go low.
That's true.
Kaya nakita natin si Jason kasi magkatabi sila,
Yes.
di ba?
Nagka-ilangan kung sino kukuha.
21-16. Lopez tossing it up.
Ang ganda ng set ni Jessie Lopez noon. Sumabay sa yung tatlong blockers. You can see here, sumabay na kagad yung dalawang blockers. At nakapalo, nakagawa ng play ang Team Hataw.
Dating magkalaban, ngayon magkakampi na si Edward Ibanez at si Jessie Lopez. And both of them will take a break. Nagbabalik ang NU boys, si Vince Mangulabnan at si Berlin Paglinawan. So it's a combination of 3 NU players on the floor right now para sa Team Hataw. Ismail, Mangulabnan, and Paglinawan. Jewel Asia tossing it up to Mojica.
Mojica, nakita ko dito sabi parang ang baba daw ng set. Kaya hindi niya na-timean yung spike niya.
Mojica, of course, a couple of years back, led EAC to the NCAA Volleyball Championship.
And also, he was a finals MVP nung Reinforced Conference.
Rojas getting roofed. Yan ang specialty ni JR Labrador.
Yes. And you can see na ang taas ng bola eh. So nakaabang na yung dalawang blockers doon. And it's easier for them to block that ball.
Mangulapnan, kanina siya pupunta. Patrick Rojas.
Rojas. Bumawi na agad from that error nung sa open spike. Single block. Or too much power.
Dolor. Tinapik ang bola papunta sa side ng Team Hataw.
Rojas scoring back-to-back points na for Team Hataw.
Siya yung kinakausap ni Jeffrey Malabanan kanina. And we can see the effect of
Triple block
that
pa yun.
combination. Yep.
Serving, Jeffrey Malabanan.
Dolor.
Finally, nakapoint na rin ang Team Galaw.
So, 2 puntos na lang ang kailangan ng Team Galao para makamit ang set number 2 and more importantly, a 2-0 lead. Labrador, sumobra ang kanyang serve muna
Team Hataw
si
21,
Coach
Team Galao
Vil Verayo.
23.
Dalawa sa open. Diba? Ikaw nang kumuha doon kayo sa quick, dalawa kayo sa open. Ah, yun ang play natin. Ikaw kumuha sa quick, dalawa sa open. Okay, yun lang yun.
Si Vince natawa kay Coach Vil. Oh, we have our bosses here.
Yes.
Yeah, the head of Integrated Sports, Mr. Dino Laurena. Of course, we have Miss Jojo Neri Estacio, the channel head of ABS-CBN SNA HD, and her husband, Terrence. And of course, Coach Kung Fu Reyes.
Serving for
Good to
Team
see
Hataw,
them all here.
Patrick Ross.
It's an important day, especially for our brothers and sisters affected by Typhoon Lawin. That's why our players from the Spikers Turf and Shakey's Wheeling have come together for this All-Star Sunday. Oh, the other JT is here. Yeah, so the two JTs are in the same building. Jeron Tang.
11 out,
And
11
where is Janine?
Janine.
Serving for the set.
Set point.
Greg Delore.
For Team Galao. Ismail. Sabi niya, wag muna.
Ismail for the cross-court kick.
Ismail trying to say na please adjust. Parang medyo mababa ang set pero you know Ismail, he can do anything with that spike and power.
Tama na kasi. Ligpas ka ng bola, papalo ka na agad sa open. Ang ligpas mo ng bola, patras na para pumalo ka ng open. Taas mo muna yung bola. Kung gusto mo ikaw pumalo, ilayo mo yung bola para ikaw nang sisita. Kasi mo muna, huwag mo ipasok. Diba? Yung man yung, ikaw na mag-isa doon. Kunin mo na yung first court. Luway, kung ka. Ikaw daw ang dalay ng ito. Dalawa ka gusto mo pwede sa kanila. Dalawa kayo. Pasok kayo.
Ayan, the coaching trio of Vil Verayo, Norman Miguel, and Dante Alinsunurin of Philippine Air Force, Champion Supra, and NU respectively.
Paginawan serving.
Koifman gets roofed.
Wow.
Ball is in.
Double block for Koifman pero hindi
For
nag-work.
Team Hataw, tie the set.
Height din ni Koifman patangkad pero abang-abang na yung two blockers ng Team Hataw.
Paglinawan.
They give him another chance. And that time, he's able to close the set.
Set number 2.
So the Russian-Colombian
25.
able to seal the deal.
Pinapakita niya na kayang-kaya niya rin dito magpaglaban.
Alright, it's a 2-0 lead para sa Team Galao. Alamin natin kung makakabawi ba ang Team Hataw sa aming pagbabalik. Dito lang sa SNA. Ito po ang All-Star Sunday. First off, we have the Spikers Turf.